First thing in the morning, we spotted those bulls pushing the cows across the skyline. And trailing behind the herd were a number of satellite bulls. Well, as you know, elk can cover a lot of ground in a short amount of time. We had to catch up to these elk if we were going to be able to make a play on them. With nothing but low sage in front of us, we grabbed 2 Montana decoys and used them as shields as 3 of us high-paced it across the prairie to catch up to this herd.
So I dropped down and I came up, saw where he was going, ranged him bush, 50. Is that what he was, 50? Yeah. So. Yeah, that worked out just totally. He hooked onto those decoys and he just come around. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. So, we'll give him a little bit of time. He's over there laying down. Looks like a good shot. I was expecting him to tip over, but as you can see, he did. He's over there about, I don't know, 250 yards laying down. We can see just the top of his rack. Give him a little bit of time. We'll go over there and hopefully recover him here in a minute.
Well, man, we just recovered the bull. What an exciting day. You know, we had a after he got bumped by a couple other elk that came through, we had a bit of a tracking job, but he was leaving us plenty to go by. You know, plenty of blood, and what a great animal. But it just a testament to the strength and stamina these animals had.
Yeah, we thought we center punched him, and he went laid down. We thought he was going to expire, and then next thing you know, he gets bumped up, and and it was on. So
I was really surprised with such a perfectly placed shot. You know, must have just kind of weaseled its way right through. But
yeah,
no, that was a great hunt, and as you got to see, it was fast and furious and exciting. But we were hunting Wyoming archery bull elk in the Red Desert, and it's flat and open, but we got them to come in. Pulled this nice bull away from the herd, and you got to see what happened. And it's just an awesome thing. We get to share such a great experiences with good friends. You know, my cameraman Chris Callanan, he had the tag in hand, so I was running camera, and our good friend Wade McCammon was on the calls and pulled him right in. So thanks for watching this episode of Outback Outdoors.